Most people think I'm learning Revit architecture, so I'm learning BIM. Well, let me tell you, this is like saying because I've learned MS Word, I'm a best-selling author. So today, I, Chainika, I'm going to explain BIM in such a way that civil engineers, mechanical engineers, architects, and even clients will understand that and will never forget. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling, but don't let the name fool you. It's not just a 3D model, it's a shared digital environment where everybody who's involved in a building project works together with the same up-to-date information. Think of it like this. At the base, you have tools like ArchiCAD, Tekla, and Revit. In the middle, you have the process where you plan, design, and manage. And in the top, you have collaboration. That's the real magic of BIM. With BIM, you have only one version of the truth. No outdated files, no duplicate drawings, and no miscommunication. Let us say we're building a small cafe. The architect designs a stunning glass facade. The structural engineer adds steel beams, and the MEP engineer adds air conditioning ducts. Without BIM, all these designs are scattered in different files, emails, and WhatsApp chats. An AC duct might run right through a steel beam, but no one notices until even the construction starts. With BIM, the clash is instantly detected in the digital model. Everyone identifies the problem even before the first brick is laid. And fixing a clash in a software takes minutes, not weeks. BIM is not just for architects. Every person in the AEC field benefits from it. Let's break it down. Architects test sunlight, ventilation, and aesthetics before construction. Civil engineers align foundations, drainage, and structure with other systems. Mechanical engineers fit HVAC without clashes. Electrical engineers plan wiring perfectly with building layouts. Contractors get accurate material quantities from the model. Clients see the building virtually, no cost and timeline in advance. And facility managers use BIM data to maintain the building for decades. BIM is not just about 3D. It comes in different dimensions, adding more power to your project. 3D BIM is about geometry plus design. 4D BIM adds time to your construction scheduling. 5D BIM adds cost estimation. 6D BIM is about sustainability and energy analysis. And 7D BIM is about facility management data. It's like a video game for your building, but with real-world data, costs, and timelines built in. Here's the truth. BIM is not Revit. Revit is just one of the tools that's used to create BIM models. For modeling, it's Revit, ArchiCAD, Tekla, SketchUp. Coordination and clash detection, it's Navisworks, Solibri. Scheduling, it's Primavera, MS Project. Costing, it's CostX and Qubit. For collaboration, it's Autodesk, BIM 360, Trimble Connect. BIM is about the data and process, not the brand of software you use. BIM is a universal language for construction. Without it, everybody is speaking in a different dialect, and mistakes are inevitable. With it, projects are faster, cheaper, and smarter. In today's world where time and money are precious, BIM is not just the future, it's the present. So next time someone says that I'm learning BIM, ask them, are you learning the tool or are you learning the process? With BIM, you don't just draw buildings, you build them smarter. Share this video with every architect, every engineer, and every client that you know. This might just change the way they see construction forever.